Yo guys, Yes, I'm currently in Kyoto na. And dumating ako kanina mga around 4. Mga 5. 5 na ako nakapag-check-in sa hotel. And I'm happy kasi hindi ako naligaw from Osaka to Kyoto. So na-navigate ko naman na maayos yung maps kanina. Yung area ng Kyoto, sobrang tahimik, walang tao. Like just now, like look at that. I mean, unlike sobrang different niya from Osaka na sobrang daming tao, and Fukuoka and Tokyo. Grabe. I mean, grabe yung energy dito. My first full day, and I just checked sa Google, it's 1 degree Celsius, so sobrang lamig, and wala akong gloves. Look at my hands, grabe, sobrang lamig. Tapos konti lang yung heat tech, so I'm gonna buy later sa GU siguro ng heat tech tsaka ng gloves. Yan, maganda yung lighting dito sa bus stop. So guys, I'm currently waiting for my bus na. And this is my second full day in Kyoto. I'm bound for Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. Since yesterday, nakapag-geo na ako. And the temperature now is 1 degree Celsius, which is also the same from yesterday. I don't have gloves with me, but I brought the heat packs or pocket heat that I bought in the Lawson here. So yesterday, hindi ko talaga kaya yung lamig, kaya napabili ako ng heat packs or yung pocket heat. Tapos ang lakas pa ng loob ko mag-knitted sweater. Diba? Grabe. Though I also bought naman a jacket here. So nagdala naman ako ng jacket for emergency lang siguro. Sabi sa Google Maps, the bus will arrive here at around 6:15 a.m. and the travel will take 1 hour from here. guys, I'm walking towards Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. And hopefully wala masyadong tao kasi naligaw na naman ako. Well, actually, technically, hindi ako naligaw. Wow, retracted. Well, naiwan ako ng bus. Kasi nag-photo pa ako dun sa bus stop. Tapos nawala yung Google Maps ko. So I had to wait for another 20 minutes for the same bus number. And now, oh my gosh, walang tao. Ang saya pala pumunta ng Sunday dito. Look at this, guys. Hi guys, good morning, and this is my last full day in Japan, and I'll be leaving for Nara na. Day trip ako. Medyo mahaba yung tulog ko last night since feel ko talaga magkakasakit na ako. Uminom ako ng gamot, and then kinumpleto ko yung tulog ko since for the past few days laging kulang. Medyo okay naman na yung pakiramdam ko ngayon, buti na lang is natulog ako na mahaba. And I was thinking pa last night kung tuloy ba ako ng Nara kasi baka hindi ko kayanin. So ngayon, it's an hour never here. So might as well do it since nandito naman ako. And I'll see you later guys. Bye! Ano mga be? Busog na kayo? Ano? Paaraw na. Natayan ako ng ibon sa ulo. Tawang-tawa ako. Sumakit yung ngipin ko kakakain. Napabili ako ng gamot sa drugstore. Sakit.